Here is the specialized job opportunity for food safety and food technology. The guy who have done their graduation in these field like food science, food technologies. So this video is all about to you the opportunity for your career. So watch this video till the end and apply for these jobs. You will get to know more about these kind of jobs and how you can be prepared and how you can get selected for these jobs. So let's start with the skills required for this job is data analysis, microbial analysis for RM and finished product development and prototyping, nutritional analysis and experience in flavor and fragrance. And let's come to the knowledge in vitrosis, product evaluation and food design, various food regulations. So these are the requirement for this job, and you can find the apply link into the description box, so you will get to know the apply link of all these job opportunity. Let's come to the next job opening, that is from Amazon is looking for food safety SME. This job is also, this video is also completely based on the food technology job. So the skill required for food safety SME is the key performance like support in design, implementation, and tracking product food safety program path, management of quality standard of the product, food safety processes, mentor and guide quality lead, process expert, and global operational teams to manage quality, improve process efficiency, and optimize variation, conceptualize, design, and deliver training to the team. And the responsibility will be proactive monitor internal and external data sources to identify investigations and action potentially unsafe product before our customer are harmed. Serve as design specialized within the product safety area, acting as a point of contact and processes expert for the colleagues. Work with Amazon product food safety team to execute strategies, seek automation opportunity, and leverage technologies. So these are the responsibility you will have to work on it. Let's come over the next job opening, that is for scientists first. Uh, the job location will be Thailand, India, and they are looking for make it happen internationally. Join the mission of lead and future snacking, make it with the pride. And they required a food safety graduate and people for this job. And what you need to know about this position is what extra ingredient you will bring. Education certificate, any graduate can apply for the job. Job specification required is uh, food safety and food technology, and the desire to drive your future and accelerate your career, and the following experience and the knowledge: food science or engineering, ideally in a fast moving consumer goods market, working on teams and independently with the guidance of a manager, prioritizing and managing the activities, communicating effectively verbally and writing, including technical writing, putting the consumer at the heart of development. These are the requirement for this. Okay, and I have another job opening from DABUR is looking for sales, marketing, HR, finance, and packing, research and development, retail, manufacturing, and others. So you can choose your own field and fill up this form to complete the application. Okay, and you can choose your qualification type, whether you coming from full time, graduate, part time, or executive program. So all are accepted here. You have to put your resume, and after that you have to submit the form. So it's all about the jobs, and for more such type of opportunities, stay connected with EasyPly to get regular update. And best of luck for your future, and thanks for watching. Thank you so much.